This is the transmitter, and it's really small, about the size of a cracker, and I actually didn't even need the lower part of this board. I could have cut it off right there. Really small, easily fits in the palm of your hand. And so on here is an 18 mega 328p, which is the AVR. That's the brains of the unit. And this is a radio transceiver. And you can't see it, but underneath the transceiver is an accelerometer. And that detects whether I'm moving this transmitter left or right or forwards or backwards. And this is the unit that the transmitter sends its signals to. So on this breadboard is the AVR and the transceiver, and over the serial line it'll send out, based on what the accelerometer values of the telemetry is, it sends a signal to the Raspberry Pi here, which it sends a signal over the serial line to the Raspberry Pi here, and the Raspberry Pi controls the drone over a Bluetooth connection.